Oh, sweet wampus woo. Oh, hey guys, it's Rover, and welcome back to another awesome toy review. Oh. Smack the like button, subscribe to the bell icon, share our service, if you guys watching films from start to finish. Well, skip the video. You're our part of the awesome squad. Remember, at 100K subscribers on this toy channel, I'll be giving away $1,000 and more. And if we have 5K subscribers really quickly on my main channel, right up here in the top right hand corner, I'll go ahead and give away an extra $500 or more. So guys, smack the like button, subscribe to the bell icon, turn on, leave a comment in the comment section below. You automatically answer the giveaway. Now, I'm going to be reviewing this huge, gigantic, awesome, fun-looking playset from Adventure Force. I mean, it's got like a motorized train. Guys, it is so awesome. 3 dinosaur obstacles to get through. This is going to be so much fun. If you guys like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smack like and let me know in the comment section below. Say, Airborne, I like the car reviews. Airborne, I like the dinosaur reviews. Let me know, guys. This is kind of an experiment. I want to see how much fun this toy is going to be. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Real those toys in the room. How you pooping? Yes, sirree. Oh, sweet wampum. Look at the size of this package. Adventure Force Ultimate Dino City Garage Playset. 89 pieces, includes 5 die-cast vehicles, requires adult assembly. Dang it, I'm not an adult. Guys, look at the size of this awesome box. Stands 3 feet tall. Spinning pteranodon, working elevator, race through the dual track, motorized train. I mean, come on, look at this. Lights and sounds, 5 parking levels, can park up to 55 cars. Well, here we go, it says right here, 1 motorized elevator, 5 parking levels, 5 die-cast vehicles, 1 motorized train, and 4 obstacles. Dinosaur obstacles. Yes, this is going to be so sick. Look at race through the snapping dinosaur. Let's go ahead and turn the box around. Well, there's a side view of it. Pretty sick looking. This is gonna be so much fun, guys. I cannot wait. This box is ginormous. So here it is. You got the spinning pteranodon, the working elevator. Again, you can park up to 55 cars. Look at the dinosaur scratch mark on that. That's so cool. Here's another dinosaur obstacle. That T-Rex looks terrifying. I hope that's not what it looks like. Look at all the cars racing. This is so sick. Guys, I only paid 55 bucks for this. Look at this. Motorized train, lights and sounds. I've never seen one with a train before. Snapping dinosaur. Should be another dinosaur obstacle, so there's gotta be 4 of them. Maybe this one, this one, this one, 2, 4. I think that's it. Guys, let's go ahead and unbox this, and obviously I can't unbox it on my counter because this box is ginormous and 87 pieces is not going to fit on my counter. So let's go to the lifting room. Alright, look at the size of this awesome box. Oh, sweet wampum. Guys, let's go ahead and tear this big bad boy open. Here we go. Here we go. Brother! Oh my, sweet wampus poo! Ah! There you go. Whee! Probably should have done that, but that's okay. Oh crap! All the vehicles just went all over the place. Oops! Let's get putting this together. We got stickers and the directions. Wow, Jesus! Oh God, it scared me! Oh my God, that scares me every time, bro. That's cool. I like that. That's awesome. So guys, there's a couple of these pieces that I can't even use because they need batteries, nor do I have the right batteries for them. Go figure, this place had the pain in the butt. Well, let's put it together anyway, guys. Let's just get it together and we'll worry about batteries later. Okay? Oh my god, awesome squad, it is finally all built. Oh my goodness, what a pain in the butt, but we got it all together. Got all the stickers on. This playset is pretty sick. Only thing I do not have is the AAA batteries. So if you guys want me to review this with the AAA batteries, please smack the like button. I'll go ahead and put the batteries in. But a lot of the other features don't require the batteries. So we got this little train, and obviously you have to have the batteries in order to make the train run. But the train will run around this whole track. You can put this awesome little dinosaur in here that comes with the playset, or you can put an actual vehicle in there. Either one, whatever your preference is. I personally want to put the dinosaur in there just because it has a dinosaur logo and it's a dinosaur playset. So that will go around this whole track, which is really sick. There's so many different sticker placements on over this whole playset. Got this little waterfall thing. So let's go ahead and see some of the awesome features of this playset, shall we? The cool working elevator is really awesome. Obviously, I can't use it right now because it's got no batteries in it. This pterodactyl will spin like this. Of course, it comes with these awesome cars. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Very sick. So you can go ahead and have the car go up. You can have it cross the bridge. Have it go down here. Got like a little gas station. You can park your car right there. And let's see how fast this goes. So you can have them race, obviously. You can have them go up the elevator. If it goes all the way down, put the car in there, which is really cool. And let's go ahead and have a little bit of fun here. So let's put the car right there. Let's put the other car right here. And then you can go ahead and release them. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look at him go. Oh! He got eaten. He got eaten and he won. He got eaten by the dinosaur. Isn't that awesome? Let's try it one more time. Also, he passed. He was supposed to go over the bridge. He passed, but he also won too. So they can go right throughout here, or they can go through the dinosaur obstacle. Let's try it one more time. So this one will go through the dinosaur one. Oh, so that one goes that way. So let's put it in this one. That's the dinosaur obstacle, maybe? There we go. Oh, no, he got eaten. Yo, that's so cool. So it looks like the left one, or the right one, is the one that makes the dinosaur. And he goes through there and crashes into that. That is a lot of fun. You can also have one of your cars drive through here. And oh no, the dinosaur can attack it. Obviously, you can actually just park your cars right here as well. You can just park them right there if you want. I got a whole bucket full of cars here. So many different ones. And it holds up to 55 cars. Let's go ahead and try another. Let's just try regular trucks here. Let's just try regular Adventure Force trucks. So here we go. Let's see who fails first. Here we go. Oh, he just flew off there. Whoa, he won. Let's try the sheriff car. Here he goes. He's going. Is he gonna pass? Oh no! He got eaten by the dinosaur. That is so awesome. That's so much fun. So just that alone is awesome. You got this giant T-Rex right here. Yeah, I don't really know what he does. He doesn't do much. So you got that one obstacle, that obstacle, that obstacle, that obstacle right there. So this is honestly a fun play set. I'm gonna say it's probably maybe an 8 out of 10 because the pieces keep popping up. As you can see right there. Directions are kind of wonky. A lot of the pieces don't stick in well together. As you can see, that's crooked. One of the pieces actually broke off into the other pieces you saw in the video earlier. Oh no, I'll say an 8 out of 10. A lot of fun. Guys, if you want me to review this with batteries, please smack the like button. I'll go ahead and review this instead of making a long building video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Smack the like button, subscribe to the bell icon, turn on, so you never miss an upload. You guys don't forget to stay awesome. Just see you guys later. That was so much fun. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Nailed it.